A very good morning, students. In this video, I'm going to explain ABC costing 6 marks problem. In previous video, I explained both traditional method of costing and ABC method of costing for your better understanding the concept. But in this video, I will explain only ABC method of costing, because in your examination, you will be asked only ABC method of costing. Let's go through the problem. A company manufactures two products A and B using common facilities. The details are given below, and in details they have given number of units produced and total machine hours, total number of setups, and total number of purchase order. And next they have given the details regarding overheads, volume related activity rupees 3 lakh, setup related expenses 4 lakh, and expenses related to order 3 lakh 20,000. So total cost incurred to produce product A and product B is rupees 3 lakh plus rupees 4 lakh plus rupees 3 lakh 20,000. So total 10 lakh 20,000 is the total overhead cost incurred to produce product A and product B. So this is ABC method of costing. In ABC method of costing, we have to allocate the expenses according to activity wise. So in first step, calculate activity driver rates. What's the first activity? Volume related activity. So volume nothing but number of units produced. So the volume related activity is always based on the total number of machine hours. So the volume related activity equals volume related activity divided by total machine hours. So what's the cost of volume related activity? So for volume related activity, the expenses incurred is rupees 3 lakh. So rupees 3 lakh divided by total number of machine hours. So volume related activity is based on total number of machine hours. So in this problem, the total number of machine hours is for product A 10,000 and for product B 60,000. So total machine hours for product A and B is 10,000 plus 60,000, that is 70,000. So rupees 70,000 hours. 70,000 machine hours. So per hour will be rupees 3 lakh divided by 70,000 hours. Rupees 4 rupee 28 paisa per hour. So this is for volume related activity. And the next activity is setup related expenses. So setup related expenses is based on the number of setups, the total number of setups. So total number of setups for product A is 10, for product B is 40. So total setup is 10 plus 40, 50. So here setup cost equals setup cost divided by total number of setups. So setup cost is rupees 4 lakh. Rupees 4 lakh divided by setup cost is based on number of setups. Here number of setup is 10 for A and 40 for B. So total setup is 10 plus 40, 50. Now per setup will be rupees 88,000 per setup. 8,000 per setup. So second activity is also over. Now the last activity, ordering cost, the expenses related to order. How much the expenses related to order is rupees 3 lakh 20,000. So rupees 3 lakh 20,000 rupees 3 lakh 20,000 divided by, so the ordering cost is based on the number of orders. The number of orders, the total number of purchase order is 80 and 200. 80 for A and 200 for B. So total number of order is 80 plus 200, 280. So divided by 280. So we'll get per order will be rupees 1142.8 paisa. This is the ordering cost per order. So here we have calculated the activity driver rates. Now prepare the statement of overhead cost under ABC method. So this is the format to prepare overhead cost per unit under ABC method. Make 3 columns. First column for particulars, second column for product X, and third column for product Y. So here the total cost of the product is absorbed through activity base. So in this problem, there are mainly 3 activities. One is volume related activity, one is setup related activity, one is ordering related activity. So the volume related activity is based on machine hours, because in calculating the driver rates, we have absorbed volume related activity by total number of machine hours. So here volume related activity is based on total number of machine hours. So for product X, the number of machine hours will be 10,000 hours, and for product B 60,000 hours. So here 10,000 hours, and for product B, so this is product A and this is product B. For product B 60,000 hours. So multiplied by, in activity driver rates, we have calculated the per hour will be rupees 4 rupee 28 paisa. Rupees 4 rupee 28 paisa. So multiplied by with 4 rupee 28 paisa, you will get for product A 42,800 for product A, and here 2,56,800 for product B. Now the first activity is over. Now come to the second activity, setup cost. So setup cost is based on the number of setups. So in problem, so for product A 10 setups, for product B 40 setups. So here 10 setups for product A and 40 setups for product B. So multiplied by with the cost per setup is so much. The cost per setup is 8,000 per setup. So multiplied by with rupees 8,000. Rupees 8,000. You will get for product A 80,000 and for product B 3,20,000. Now the second activity is also over. Now come to the last activity, ordering cost. So ordering cost is based on total number of orders. So the expense related to order is 3,20,000. This is based on the total number of purchase order. So total number of purchase order for product A is 80 and for product B is 200. So ordering cost for product A 80 orders. Next for product B 200 orders. So multiplied by with cost per order. What's the cost per order? A cost per order. Cost per order. How much? Rupees 1,142.8 80 paisa. So 1142.80 paisa. 1142.80 paisa. So we'll get for product A 91,424, and for product B 2,28,560. So all the activities are over. Now make total. So 42,800 plus 80,000 plus 91,424. You will get rupees 2,14,224 rupees. Now come to product B. So 2,56,800 plus 3,20,000 plus 2,28,560. 2,28,560. You will get 8,05,360. This is the total overhead cost incurred for product A and for product B. For product A, 2,14,224, and for product B, 8,05,360. This is the total overhead cost incurred to produce product A and B. But in this question, they have asked calculate overhead cost per unit. That is, what's the cost for 1 unit. So in order to calculate this information, divide this overhead cost, total overhead cost, by total number of products produced. So divided by number of units produced. Number of units produced. So the total number of units produced under product A is 2,500 units and the product B is 30,000 units. So here 2,500 units and here 30,000 units. Now you will get overhead cost per unit. So rupees. So 2,14,224 is the total cost of product A incurred to produce 2,500 units. Then how much for 1 unit? 85 rupee 68 paisa. This is the overhead cost per unit incurred to produce product A. Now product B, total overhead cost is 8,05,360 incurred to produce 30,000 units. Then what's the cost per unit? So 8,05,360 divided by 30,000 units. You will get 26 rupees 84 paisa. So this is the cost per unit under product B. So this is the solution for problem number 2. Thank you, students.